Chris here from Iconology, and today we're going to be talking about SOGEA, broadband service that's going to be replacing the FTTC and ADSL services that are based on older phone analog lines. Standard broadband services such as FTTC or VDSL require an analog phone connection to be able to work. This service usually gives you the ability to have a phone connected to it, as well as your router, which provides you the internet connection. This means that we no longer have to get an analog phone service just to connect our broadband connection. We'll be able to connect using a phone socket still, but no longer have to pay for that phone service that comes with it. So the benefit of having a SOGEA is we no longer have to pay for a phone analog service just to connect our internet. The price of having an analog service on your connection can range from £15 up to £25 per month. And Openreach is set to keep increasing that price, as we've seen recently. Second benefit of having a SOGEA service is it simplifies the whole solution. We no longer have to think about the phone connection and how much we're going to be paying for that phone connection and being tied down to that phone number on that line. So if we wanted to transfer our internet, it would be a bit more work than usual. But with the SOGEA system, all you have to think about is what internet provider am I going to be with, and then you can transfer those over to a cheaper solution or a better service. Another benefit, as there's no longer a phone connection being made on the same line, the speeds can sometimes be faster than they were before. A third benefit to SOGEA, we can now easily diagnose any faults in an easier manner. It's only one service to look after, so you don't have to and fro from a phone provider and a separate broadband provider and get those two to talk to each other to be able to work out if there's a line failure or an internet failure itself on the one line. You only have to look at just the broadband connection and talk to the broadband provider if there's any issues. You no longer have to be worried about having to talk to a phone provider to see if the line has any faults and if you need to get an Openreach engineer out. This is all solely done with the broadband provider, and it'll be them that will talk to Openreach if there's any cable issues. Also, it's ever so easy just to transfer to a SOGEA service if you already have an older line like an ADSL or a FTTC. The transfer is quite seamless, and it just usually means you may just have to swap out a router, but your internet service provider will be able to easily assist you with that and provide you with the correct equipment. Some of you are probably thinking, I need to keep my phone line, I need to keep my phone service for my business or my home. There is a solution for this. Everyone's moving slowly over to a digital phone subscription. The phone solution, also known as a VoIP, is a lot more of a flexible service that can go onto an internet connection. Basically, the phone will connect over the broadband connection that you're using at the time. We'll talk a little bit more about VoIP solutions in the next episode. If you need help migrating over to a SOGEA service, just talk to your internet service provider or your IT support team if you've got one. They'll be able to easily help you with this. Also, we can help if you like. Our details are in the description below. Give us a bell and we'll help where we can.